everyone, my beautiful people. Happy Christmas and prosperous New Year in advance. How are you guys doing? So happy to see another Christmas. It's not easy. If you're not happy, me, I'm very happy. So the reason I'm here today is celebrate me when I'm still alive, not when I'm dead. Because this life, get part two. Who don't die, finish. You understand? Like the music I'm playing, who remembers me is who I will remember. You understand? So there are some guys, there are some lady, they have parents, they don't take care of their parents. You understand? They don't take care of their parents because so why? They will say, why you born me come this life, come suffer? Why you don't make her before you born me? It's not like that. We don't really need to blame our parents. You understand? You should be grateful that your mom that bring you to this life. You should be grateful that your father bring you to this life. Not blaming them. You understand? Don't blame anybody for your predicament. You understand? So the reason why make me come here today be saying, if you don't celebrate me now when I dey alive, now when I die, now you won't celebrate me. Celebrate me now I'm still alive, not when I'm dead. I dey see many people. Person maybe like all this local music, they are just starting. They will send you their name. Please help me to subscribe, share, like, and comment. You don't do that. You will not do it. But the moment you hear that the person is dead, oh my God. You will see in video, don't they go everywhere? In picture, don't they go everywhere? I bet, may God not remember us when we don't die. Our best picture will never be used for rest in peace. You understand? You're going to see that picture everywhere. Rest in peace, brother. Rest in peace, brother. Rest in peace, brother. When the person there alive, how you can celebrate her? When you come be saying now when you can't die, now you won't celebrate her. Huh? I'm asking you guys, how you can celebrate the person? You know, see person they do birthday, you will upload picture. You know will screw person. You know will feel like. You know will comment. But the moment you don't see the person don't die, the picture now don't they go everywhere? Don't they go the whole go around the whole world? Rest in peace, there, rest in peace, there. They do now. They do now. When the person is alive, why you not celebrate them? When they celebrate birthday, if you see and you will pass them. But the moment you don't hear say you don't die, you will write rest in peace, bro. Rest in peace, sis. Celebrate people when they are alive, not when they are dead. Okay? Not when they are dead. Sometimes at the verse, you will send your video, give person, you say, help me like, help me subscribe. The person will ask you, why will I subscribe? Imagine, why will I subscribe? Subscription, not be to subscribe for person, not be say you won't use money to subscribe for, and just the internet when they your phone. Now just the internet when they your phone. Now that time people will tell you, say you when they toast for how many years you don't agree, don't reach time for subscribe. No, I won't subscribe for you. If you not come celebrate the person when he die alive, now when he die, now you will celebrate her. Now you will celebrate her. I bet we they use our brain sometimes. I don't see many people, their music no blow. They be get talent, the thing no gree blow because we not gree celebrate the person when he die alive. We not gree celebrate with the phone. That mean what they make her. The person even use you make her. Now bad thing. Now they try now say our president, our government people, they do this one, they do this one, they do this one. Why can't we help ourselves? Why can't we help ourselves? Why can't we help ourselves? Later, they're gonna say, why I will subscribe for her? Why? Which reason? It's not like that. It's not like that. Celebrate me now. I'm still living. Celebrate me now. I'm still living, not when I'm dead. If all those people when will tell una say make una help them, make una do this one, make una do this one, una no will agree. If they die, their spirits no will rest in peace because of you. Because why? When they are alive, you refuse to give them food, you refuse to give them clothes, you refuse to give them water. If they come die, they say rest in peace. I wish I know I for help. Why you no help when the person still there alive? Now when you still there alive, now you will help. Not when the person is dead. Please, my brother and sister, let's help each other. Let's help each other. Let's help each other. This life, there is nothing in this life. Understand? Nothing worth dying for. Nothing worth dying for. We came to this life with empty hand. Empty hand, shall we go back? So why are we keeping grudges? Why are we keeping malice? Why are we gossiping one another? Let's help each other. Now we are still alive. There are some guys that will say that they are not okay. They cannot give their mother food to eat. They cannot give their father food to eat. Why? If you have little, just share it into two. Divide it into two. Your mother bring you to this life. You understand? You have to make your mother happy. Give her food to eat. Give her that food to eat. Just do the little you can do. Do the little you can do. Not when they are there, you'll be buying cow, making big burial for them. Who will not enjoy the burial? Is it when you think they are happy? They are not happy. They are not happy. They are very angry of you. And if they have that chance to kill you, they will kill you. They will kill you. So celebrate people now they are still alive, not when they are dead. Not when they are dead. The dead don't talk. The dead don't eat. The dead don't wear designers. It's only now they are still alive. If you cannot celebrate me now, don't celebrate me when I'm dead. Okay? Give your mother food eat. Give your father food eat. They will say they don't dey okay when they will give their mama and their papa food eat. Now so God talk am. When your mama and your papa born you, they have nothing. But they keep struggling. They keep struggling to make sure they take care of you. They take care of you to this extent you are now. What did they do to take care of you? Who they do gari, they do gari. Who they do baga, they do baga. Who they do many things just to make sure they put food on your table. Now is your time to take care of them. You'll be telling them that you don't have money. But if your girlfriend asks money for human hair, you'll be able to give your girlfriend. If your boyfriend asks money for marker, you'll be able to give your boyfriend. What kind of life are you guys living nowadays? What type of life is that? I will never stop taking care of my mom or my dad or my siblings. And I will never stop my husband for taking care of his family also. If we have 200, we will share it. We will keep 100 aside for our feeding. Then we will share the remaining 50-50 for our family, just for them to be okay, just for them to eat, not for them to be begging food for one house to another. Is that not a shameful thing to us? It's a shameful thing to us. If you are not ashamed, I am ashamed. Okay? If you are not ashamed, I am ashamed. So please, my brother and sister, please let's take care of one another. Let's help the less privileged. Because the reason why I just come and can't talk now, because you will just see some people, if they die, now you they say, I will forever miss you. When they are alive, you know they miss them. Now when they die, now you won't miss them. When they die, now you won't come miss them. But when they are alive, you don't really miss them. They will even ask you for 5,000, you say you don't have. When you have, you say you don't have. Person will just start up new video. He will send you the link. Please help me to subscribe. You will delete it. How the country won't say better? The country not feel better. Now when the person is alive, now then you will celebrate them. But if the person die finish, celebration not there again. Celebration not there. I don't see many people. They just start up music. Maybe when they're there alive, nobody they will celebrate them. But if they come there, you're gonna see rest in peace, sir. Rest in peace, great hero. Hero kill you there. Celebrate the person now he is still alive. If person say please subscribe for me, subscribe for the person. If person say please like and share, do it. Because only that one you feel do for the person. But you know if you give am food shop, not give am money. Only that thing now you will feel do for the person. So just use that one to help the person. If you reach your turn, the person will still help you. If this hand wash this hand, now you will clean. One hand not the feel. One hand you don't feel use one. You don't feel wash only this one hand. You will say make clean. If you use the two, wash the two. Now you will feel clean. Let's help each other to become what we want to become. Okay? So because I see many things for social media, because the thing they vex me. That's why I just say make I just come out, make I just see talk what's in my mind. You understand? Because if I not talk and God no go forgive me, because the thing don't dey my mind since. It don't dey my mind since. Help the little you can. If person say please help me to like my video, share, comment, subscribe, just do. Subscription, that subscribe will not, it will not remove anything from you. It will not remove anything, just to press the red button. You understand? Help people that is in need now. Help them now, they are still living. Not when they are dead. You say, why for help that person? I don't know. Help them now. Now they deliver. You understand? Now they deliver. Please, guys. Please. Your mama dey village, your papa dey village, they suffer, beg. If you get, give them food to eat. I know it's not easy. You will see some dead, they wear human hair of how much. But your mother, they suffer. Your father, they suffer. Your siblings, they suffer. It don't make sense like that. It don't make sense. I beg. No, we help each other. I beg. People are suffering. People are really suffering. I don't say if you not get, may you go steal. If you not get, God will still understand. But if you get, you they keep unto your own self. God will not understand now. God will not forgive you for such acts. Please, my brother and my sister, please. This 2021 when we won't enter, so make God let us enter successful. I beg. Make una help people. Make una help una family. Help your family first before outsiders. Understand? Let your family be okay before helping outsiders. No, when your family is not okay, you helping outsiders, God will not forgive you also. Give your people food eat first before talking about outsiders. Okay? Please, my brother and my sister, thank you for your understanding and God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time, guys. Thank you.